Hello, my name is Chris from Falcon Technology and we are the Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf 2025. Welcome to our booth. We have camping televisions with built-in smart TV technology that works on 12 volt, on 24 volt or 240 volt. It has satellite built in, standard DBT, and also all your smart TV options with its own app store, so you can download all the apps you want. If you have no signal, it also includes a DVD player with 2 USBs so you can record your television, with HDMI so you can use your Fire Stick. So all included, also possible, is available is the carry case to protect your television. So if you have it on portable, it's protected, or out of season, you can keep it protected from cold weather. From television, we also have sound bars to work with the television that work with Bluetooth, optical connection or HDMI connection. Now, if you're looking for a smart TV technology, you also need a good internet solution. If you don't have an internet solution, you can tether to your smartphone sometimes. But if you have no signal, you have no picture. Falcon have a full range of 4G or 5G solution, plug and play, no installation, no drilling holes, with simple setup. We shall show you now the new 5G technology. So now we have plug and play 4G. This solution has 150 megabits per second. It can connect 10 devices, it's omnidirectional, and it works on 12, 24 or 230 volt. No drilling, it's IP66, and it's a complete solution in the carry case like so. Everything is complete. Antenna, you also get a splitter, so if you want to watch television and you only have one connector, now you have two. You can also charge your smartphone. The antennas, the router, the SIM adapter so you can take the SIM from your phone. And then here, Ethernet cable, if you want to plug directly to your television, you can power from USB, 12 volt or with mains electricity, like so. You have 2 meter or 5 meter on both options. It all folds away in the carry case. The router is unlocked, so you can use any SIM card. Wi-Fi hotspot, electrical options, 360, 4G. But if you want to go 5G, now we also have a 5G solution also. Again, antenna outside, but now the speed is 1,800 megabits per second with 32 devices, omnidirectional, carry case, no drilling, and IP66. Again, the complete solution comes with a carry case so you can protect your purchase and you can remember to pack everything away nice and tidy. Even if you do not have, this is the fixing, you have the suction cup and you have the magnet base. If your vehicle is not magnetic, now we have the metal plate for you to stick to your van, and now you have a fixing for the magnetic connection. The router, the power, everything is complete, and this is the 5G portable solution, good for your mobile home, but also good for your mobile life. Installation option, you have the fitted solution for the roof. Or in the flexible kit, you also get the second antenna for your mobile life. In the park, on the mountain, or in your pocket, you have everything. So now you have a good connection for your new Falcon Smart TV. Over here, we also have power station, solar, and we also have the camera, which is a unique product. Many customers over the years have asked us for a product with simple installation. No drilling, no holes, no cutting and no wires. So this camera here is magnetic. Included in the kit, you have the metal plate. because most caravans are not made of metal. This has a lithium battery inside. To charge, you charge like you charge your phone. The battery life now is for 10 hours of the night time, but also you have solar. So you can be making energy going into the battery so you can drive for longer than 10 hours. Now the camera goes to the metal plate, now connected to the monitor can be connected to your rear view mirror. Simple installation, you plug like so, and now on the side you also have the SD card. So the SD card is also there for recording. So now you have recording and full visibility. You can use the camera for reversing. With the lines, and now you are driving, you can go into the menu and you can switch the lines off, and you have full visibility when you are driving with no installation. Now October and November and December, it gets cold and it gets wet and it's snowing. Let's take the camera off. For protection, let's put it inside its protective carry case. Now it's time to go camping. Hello! Now the camera looks like it's new. So 5 years later, the old camera, it has inside the water, the moisture, the dampness, the frost is finished. This is like new. So the life is longer, the installation is simple, you have more peace of mind, accident police, insurance, you have evidence to show the insurance, the full story. Simple installation, plug and play, life made easy by Falcon technology.